sky day. The boys are still asleep in their drug rugs. We played our music way too late.